find the height of a different object using angles of elevation. We used a locker. Try to find the height of the locker. So we found that the height from ourselves to the locker was 2.64 meters. And the angle of elevation from my eyes to the top of the locker was 25 degrees. And since we already have the distance apart and the angle of elevation using trigonometric ratios, we could find the heights from my height to the top of the lockers. And with that, we just had to add my height, which is 1.73, to that, and in total equaled 2.96 meters. Part 2. So, for part 2, we had to find the height of an object using the angle of depression. So what we did was we got on the top of my roof and looked down at the top of an object, which was a pole. The distance from my house to the pole was 3.96 meters. And the height from the ground to the top of my house was 2.74 meters. The angle of depression from my eyes to the top of the pole was 35 degrees. So what we basically did was cut it, made a good right triangle, and we basically just did the tangent of 35 times 3.96, and we got 1.87, which is the height of the pole.